strengthen the body?
Learn to do pull-ups as early as you can, and if you cannot do them, get a TheraBand or a band supporting your legs, and start doing it at any age and stage of your life. Any means any. Even if you do half a pull-up a day and one pull-up a day, it is fine. Just keep doing it. That is the strongest workout you can ever do for yourself.
Okay.
That is first trip for actual strength of the body. And secondly, I would suggest eat right. Don't eat a lot of food. Just observe yourself. If the food gives you any form of bloating or lethargy, try avoiding that food. You'll automatically replace it with better and healthier food, and that works immensely for the strength. And yeah, practice a lot of breathing exercises. Yoga mein pranayam जिसे कहते हैं. Those breathing exercises is what you need. You need the breath for all forms of workout, whether you're a swimmer, a runner, a weightlifter, whatever. You need the breath.
Correct.
And so
Correct.
yeah, these things I would suggest for strength. Yeah.
Okay. Your three suggestions for energy, to heighten energy, body energy.
Sleep well for sure, most
Nice.
definitely, and music works wonders. I mean, physically talking, direct influence. You start feeling more energetic. So find your music, make your lists, be picky about it, have your own headphones. Don't get bothered by the music around, and don't. One thing will definitely not give you energy is energy drinks. So so don't get into that. Just try eating and drinking correctly before workout, and I suggest that eat 2-3 hours before you sleep. That way you'll sleep better and get up more energetic.
Okay.
If that's
That's
the
nice.
if that's the energy we're talking about.
Yeah, that's the energy we're talking about. Another three tips to calm the mind, because there's so much.
Right.
You're aware there's a lot
Yeah.
happening right
Yeah.
now, and
Yeah.
many people are without work. There's a lot of struggle. There's a
Yeah.
lot of mental struggle. So, your three tips to calm the mind.
Honestly, I don't have a binary answer to that. कि ये करो, because mind is uh, it is such a deep, unexplored web of things, that to calming your mind, to get a control, or to get a balance on your thoughts, is the total of life's achievement. Actually, people have spent years in meditation and years at various I don't know, shrines, and traveling the world and exploring, just to find something that can continuously calm their mind. Something may calm your mind today, and the same thing may just rile you up tomorrow. So
Correct.
I don't know that, to be honest. I'm not somebody very well versed with suggesting that. But if somebody finds it, please tell me also.
Okay.
I'll tell you what calms my mind. That will make it
Yeah.
easier.
Yeah.
Some form of meditation, guided, unguided music. I just try and meditate in whatever forms comes to me, different every day. Trust me. Definitely, watching a lot of good things helps me feel highly. I don't know if calm, but definitely a lot more focused and balanced, and that
Okay.
eventually makes me feel calm. So yeah, I do things that work for me. You please find what works for you. Don't take my suggestion on it.
Perfect. That's good. I think it's being calm is about what makes you feel inspired, what
Yeah,
makes you feel collected, and for each one is different.
and it's going to change every time. I keep saying this. With work, it changes. Without work, it changes. With money, it changes. Without money, it changes.
Correct. Correct.
Sometimes with a lot of work, something else calms you down. Just a walk calms you down. Sometimes with no work, that same walk irritates you. So
Correct.
you
Absolutely.
you don't know what to do. Yeah.
Okay. Three tips for a healthy and happy relationship.
Listen, definitely listen, and
Right.
uh, definitely put your point across in whatever way you understand it the best. It is
Correct.
very important, because sometimes it so happens that for that day or that moment we let it go because we think that the other one may not get it, may feel bad, is in a bad mood, etc., etc. But just put it out there so that it gets out of your system. It doesn't become something far more bitter inside you.
Correct.
So, and definitely go exploring new destinations and places together. That way you can know things about each other that no sitting in a cafe can help you. Just go out, explore different locations and places, and yeah, it'll help you.
And enjoy each other's company.
Yeah, that's see, these are the elements that will make you enjoy each other's company. Because
Correct.
yeah, you enjoy differently in the first 6 months and far more differently in the 6 years.
Correct. Okay, and this is also important. So, three tips for grooming, because you know when you're groomed and
Me,
you feel,
look at me.
yeah, now when you before lockdown,
I cut my own hair. What grooming?
before lockdown, Karan, before lockdown, you used to be always
Uh,
on time. मैं before lockdown की बात कर
I'll
रही हूँ.
I'll tell you this. I'll tell you this. My grooming is misunderstood by the grooming of my on-air characters. I'll be very
Ah,
honest. I'll be very honest
okay.
about it. People watch a character that I did called Dr. Rohit Sippy. He was very well groomed. He was a
Yeah.
highly educated surgeon. He was prim and proper with his beard and hair and his suit all the time. But that's because there were six people doing it. And I thank those people. I thank my hairstylist. I thank my makeup guy, the people who got my clothes. I thank Sandeep Sikand for giving me these people and making me look good. I thank Star Plus for it. Trust me, given to me, I would be in a t-shirt and a short and with dirty hair, unkept beard. All my life, I would live like that.
So you're a sage trapped in an actor's body, actually.
I am
Sadhu
telling
is
you,
an
the
actor's body.
only grooming thing I consistently follow is brushing teeth, which is important.
You sound like Pramod now. No, actually, Pramod is still a little better group because I throw him into the. They say, go
I
cut
am
your
telling
hair.
you, if you see my first live sessions couple of months ago, I would do them in the same t-shirt I would go to sleep in.
Oh
But the
wow.
but the thing is, when I keep doing it, then everybody in and around me messages me, calls me, or tells me. People who know me, even somebody like you, he would say, "Boss, it's a session which is being circulated. Next time, wear a decent shirt and do it." I was like, "Yeah, yeah, yeah, I'll wear a shirt." So I tell myself, for this session, I would remove a shirt and keep it out the whole time. I said, "No, no, I have to wear this shirt at 5 o'clock because 6 o'clock I have to go. Otherwise, I am so just haphazard about it. I'm like, yeah, okay, let's do it. It doesn't matter how am I looking. You know,
I think also you're very comfortable in your skin, Karan. You know, I can speak about it because I know you. You're very comfortable. You're one of the people, and I'm not just saying it because there are people watching. The fact is that you're being very, very clear about who you are. You're very comfortable. You don't have this need to project. You don't have this need, okay, I have to show
yeah.
something.
And see the immense amount of that security or that uh, confidence supposedly comes from a lot of people like you, like my parents, like my friends, everybody who is totally appreciative of a unpretentious self in real life.
Correct.
Yes, when I get on character, I am supposed to pretend and be good at that for a proper projection of entertainment. If a guy is supposed to be in a suit, I can't put him in shorts, no? That's
Correct.
stupid of me. And similarly, when you see SIT, if a guy is supposed to be lazing around at home, I can't give him a suit there. He looks so stupid.
Correct. Correct.
you know
Correct.
so it's the pretentiousness which is the first step to not being calm or being totally unhealthy about it within yourself, which will make you eat bad food, which will make you eat not do the right things. You'll become unhealthy, you'll become whatever you have to become. So yeah, I can't pretend too much, I think.
Love that. I love that.
Thank you.
And that's
Thank you.
exactly what I believe, Karan. You
Thank you.
know,
So
if
sweet.
you're very clear about our vulnerabilities, who we are and who we are not, and don't make any excuses for who you are. Just be clear. Once
Yeah.
you're clear, the world will just settle around you. And those that need to fall out will fall out on their own.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
You,
just
you,
fall.
you should wonderfully see the biography of Sir Charlie Chaplin, or
Yeah,
even read his book. And when you see his life, he was not the tramp
yeah,
walking around with that mustache.
yeah.
People don't even recognize him without the mustache.
Correct.
And when you see the legend do that, you're like, boss, he had no pretense.
Correct.
He's like the biggest actor in the last 100 years we'll ever have.
Correct. Very good.
What am I supposed to have pretense about? I mean, I really don't get it.
So, but there is, there is this so-called now, especially I've realized is there's this whole thing, your online persona. So the bottom line is that one has to be true to self, be who you are, and wear your vulnerabilities on the sleeve.
Just
That's it.
be easy here. If it comes easy to you, no. If styling comes ezy to you, please do it. If
Correct.
grooming comes easy to you, please do it. It doesn't come easy to me. I need people to do it for me.
Correct.
You know?
That's very important.
Yeah.
So, we've got a lot of students here, a lot of students,
Okay.
young people here, and I just want to ask you, what is that one, if you could give an advice, what is that one advice you would like to give to the youth here about fitness, mental balance, and spiritual elevation?
Find your workout. If fitness, say you mean physical fitness, then find your workout. Explore all forms of workout from running, cycling, swimming, weightlifting, yoga, everything. Don't take my word that yoga works, because sometimes it really doesn't work for people. It didn't even work for me for years. It started working for me in this quarantine. Okay. So find your fitness for sure and keep it easy and accessible. Don't make your fitness a challenge. It should be something you should be able to do if you get out of bed. And trust
Correct.
me, that will stick with you for life.
Correct.
And if fitness, that is the thing. With mental, I would say, uh, don't get into the rat race of who's doing what, how much, and when. There is no when. You have to keep doing what you're doing for life. I have to keep acting for the next 50 years, hopefully, and I cannot just say I have to act today. So I want to be an actor for the rest of my life. So whatever you want to do, just choose what you are ready to be invested in, ready to read about, ready to study about, ready to explore, and most importantly, ready to have a very slow success rate with.
Correct.
Trust me, the faster is not going to make you very happy. The slower the better. You're going to get there eventually, because the process is what you have liked eventually. So that gives you a lot of mental peace. What you do, how you are seen, how you are liked, makes you feel a certain way. So that, and yeah, what was the third part? I forgot.
Spiritual.
Sorry, spiritual.
Spiritual. Yeah.
Oh, spiritual though is very, oh my God, it's such a deep and vast realm that I don't even know what to say. So please believe in your gods and please believe in whosoever you believe, and whatever everybody follows, whatever you follow, whichever your belief system may be. If you cannot be a person who is easy to interact with, or can help somebody out when needed, or at least listen to people when they need help, then whatever you're doing is not going to be very helpful. Whatever it has to be, it has to make you better. It has to make people around you better. And it has to make people around you feel, okay, with this person around, things can be better, or at least he'll stand by when things are not good.
Correct.
So whatever your zone of spirituality be, whatever your religion be, whatever your practice be, please do it. But keep it in mind that you have to become better than what you are.